That was the American one you just tried?
Mm-hmm.
What'd you think? Did you like it?
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah. I usually don't drink a lot of soft drinks, so.
Yeah, and I try not to, but I fail.
But it's certainly, it's fine. It tasted like something with sugar in it, so.
And the Danish Citrus Blast Mountain Dew, which we assume is the same.
That is less sugary. It's actually a little more, yeah. The Danish Mountain, wow, it's more like, I'm not going to say like Sprite, but it's, okay. That's interesting. The American one definitely tastes sweeter. It's softer. It feels softer, less sharp in the taste. So I don't know if the Citrus Blast is the same one, but this has a little bit more sharpness to it. Definitely the Danish one.